Oh, hey parents and students. Welcome to Elevate Online. Let's go check out that B-roll. We're gonna play a game today. We're gonna take these styrofoam planes. We're gonna chunk them off this roof right here. We're going for distance. So the top 3 planes are gonna compete in the finale. The bottom one, shortest distance, out. See you on the other side.
What's up guys? Had an awful defeat the last 2 weeks. To this week, I am hoping I bring home a dub. I got the green arrow here. It's gonna be gnarly. Here we go. Oh baby! Oh baby, no! Oh no! 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 That was horrific!
That's a negative 50 feet.
Hey, but as long as somebody might go shorter than that. All right, here we go.
Got a lot of experience with Styrofoam planes, and I'm really excited. This plane is called Starfire, so here we go.
Oh no! No! That's coming still further than mine. Gosh dang it! Mine just caught so much air underneath it.
All right, guys. That wiffle ball last week really hurt my pride a little bit. Still didn't come in last. Feeling pretty good about today. I can't say I've thrown gigantic airplanes a whole lot, but we're gonna see how good we do with John Wick. Since Connor took all the pressure off of getting last place, just gonna have fun with Optimus Prime here.
I lost it.
After the first round, me and Tim were way out there, 200 and something feet. Optimus Prime, though, did end up suffering a few injuries along the way. This accuracy part is going to be difficult, but we're going to give it our go. Well, guys, we got me in second place and Kyle in first place, Mills in third, and we don't even know where Connor's plane ended up on that last one. So I'm gonna see if I can get it out this door here. I think we'll do a pretty good job.
I'm in third place, so let's see what we can do.
That's it. That's it. All right, guys, well, in the end, Mills pulled it out. That's a good victory for Saline County. Let's go ahead and head into worship.